Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make Moringa seed oil. Moringa can be called drumstick tree, miracle tree, or beam oil tree. I believe the pod of Moringa are used for cosmetics and health purposes. The pod of Moringa contains a seed that produces a healing oil. So if you want to know how I make this Moringa oil, stay tuned. To make Moringa oil, you will need Moringa seed, and this is how the Moringa seed looks like when the shell is removed. I'll be showing how to remove the Moringa shell. Rolling pin, I will use it to crack the Moringa shell or coat in order to get the Moringa seed. The shell of the Moringa is cracked. You can now pick out the Moringa seed. All the Moringa seed I can get. There are other methods on how to make Moringa seed oil, but I'll be using the boiling method. Put the Moringa seed into a pan and roast the seed on a medium heat until they have turned slightly brown. I've finished roasting. I'll allow it to cool, then I'll put into the blender and blend into a fine powder. Done blending the Moringa seed, I will set aside. I will add the Moringa paste into a warm water and stir to mix. When the Moringa paste have dissolved into the water, you can sieve with cheesecloth or chiffon cloth. Press as hard as you can to get out all the liquid. When I'm done pressing, these are all the liquid that I got from the Moringa seed. You can throw the chaff away. Add the liquid into a pan and allow to boil on a medium heat until all the water has evaporated. Liquid is boiling. You can see the oil floating on top. I'll allow it to continue boiling. Moringa oil is not an easy oil to come by because you need a lot of Moringa seed if you want more Moringa oil. When all the liquids have evaporated, this is how the oil will look like. If you want to know more about the benefits of Moringa, check out my video on how to do Moringa powder and Moringa leaf oil. Finally, I'm glad that the Moringa oil is coming out. You can see the oil. Then I will turn off the heat. The oil in container or jar. The oil can be used for your hair and skin. I hope that you try this, or better still, try get Moringa seed oil if you can. This is a healing oil for hair and skin. This oil has a lot of benefits. No wonder Moringa is called Tree of Life. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.